Hello and welcome back everyone. So in today's video I will be sharing two easy and amazing Diwali decoration ideas for this Diwali. If you haven't watched our last two videos related to Diwali decoration, so go and check that out. The link is in the description box down below. So in this first DIY we'll be painting on these diyas. So before painting, make sure you apply a base coat with white acrylic color and then paint over it. So for this first diya, paint it with red acrylic color and then make some designs over it by using primary colors like green, yellow and white. You can use a toothpick or a zero number brush for making such dots. And our first diya is ready and see how beautiful it looks. So for this second diya I have painted the base coat by using blue color. And once the base coat is dried, keep on making similar designs. And now once we are making with the designs, now paste the more punk at the back. If you don't have more punk, you can always skip it. And now our second diya is ready. And did you see how simple was this to make beautiful diyas like this? Now you can even make this diyas with this easy technique and can decorate your houses. Similarly, I've made this third diya. And now all of them are ready and see how beautiful they look. And now let's move on to the second DIY where we'll be making this easy tea light holder by reusing plastic bottles. For this you need a plastic bottle. You can take any Coca-Cola bottles or shampoo bottles. And now to make the face of the idol you need some foil paper and roll it over the cap of the bottle. Add 2 to 3 layers till you are not satisfied with the thickness. And now similarly take a tissue paper and fold it over the foil paper so that later on we'll be able to paint over it. So for this you need a tissue paper and cut it according to the size and put it over the foil paper, and then by using a wet brush put some water over it so that it will get pasted with the foil paper. And now let it dry. Till then let's make the clothes for the woman. Here I have made this ghagra to give it an ethnic look. Similarly, by using our old fabric I made this top wear. And now let's make the hands. For this you need a paper and a pencil. You can use a straw and fold it for making the hands. Similarly make the another hand and paste it by using a M-seal or a hot glue gun. And now for the support at the base, you can paste any cardboard at the bottom. So here I have pasted this top wear by using a fabric glue. Similarly tie a ghagra over it. So now let's paint the face. For painting I'm using skin color. To decorate the idol more, you can add some fancy malas or beads. And now paste some stones, or you can even draw them by using acrylic color. Similarly made the senses as well. For making it more beautiful, here I have added a bindi. And now paste any artificial candle or a tea light between the hands. And here I have added another piece of cloth as a chundri. You can decorate it according to your choice and brighten it up and see how beautiful it looks. So if you do have any questions or suggestions, then do let me know in the comment section below. With this, I wish you all a very happy Diwali. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.